Hi everyone. Today we're going to be drawing a hillbilly on Draw for Fun with Kevin. So to get started right away, in front of my paper, I'm going to start about here on it, and I'm going to draw a line just like that. Now we're going to come across, make a point, and come up, come over, kind of drew a Z there, come down, and over just like that. And right here we're going to put an ear. And then we're going to make a little hole there for it. Okay. Now we're going back to this line right here, and that's going to be right where his nose is going to come out. We're going to come up and just do a simple nose. Now above that line right here, right, we're going to make a piece of hair, another piece of hair, and put it up there. Right about here, come down, and go right over top of his ear. Right, and make a circle like that. It's going to be his hat. Okay, now we're coming back to the tip here. We're going to go over, up, over. Okay, and then we're going to come down, make a point, and come back in, just like that. And then we're going to come down, over, and touch that line. Right, now from there we can just attach his mustache and his beard, right, about here on his nose. We're going to go up and kind of give him like a little sideburn right here. Right, go back to the nose, around the bottom of the nose, draw a line down, curve it in just a little bit, it's going inward, and then back out, down, and in. We're going to come back up to his hat, about here, I guess, okay, and we're going to come down, attach right there to the point. Okay, we're going to come back up to about here, I'm going to come down. You can make him as fat as you want, about there. I'm going to go back over here to the beard and start right at the point of the beard and come in, go up, over, and down. And this right here is going to have a little button. That's going to be his suspender. Okay. Now right underneath that, draw a line, go down, angle in a little more, and then go down again and come across. And we're going to sweep up for his arm and connect it to that. Okay. Now we come up back up to this part of his suspender. We're going to come down, give him a little belly there, and right there where his belly is, we're going to put that hand. Right, so we're going to make a thumb right here. We're going to come over, just make a little bend like that. Okay. Then we're going to bring it straight in and come down and draw his hand. One finger. Make another line to start his other finger. And make one more line. And then come up and attach it right there. Now right here is where his gun's going to be. Okay. Now after we get that done, we can come right underneath the finger though and finish the rest of his body so we get an idea of where we want to put his gun. So we're going to come down there. We're going to come over, up, and right there. Got to leave room for that gun stock. So we're going back to his hand here. Okay, about here. Come over, down, and all the way back in till we touch his hand on the bottom there. Okay, don't worry about it if it goes inside, we'll erase. Now right here, okay, we're going to have to draw another line straight down. Cut his thumb off there a little bit, but it's okay. Straight down. Because what we're going to do is get an idea where to put the trigger of his gun. Okay, there's a square. We're going to do a square on the inside. And then right about here, we're going to put a little trigger. Okay, now I'm going to erase that first line there. I don't like that. So, make his thumb go to here. And make the line there and just attach those. I don't know why I put a line there for reference, but now right from here, over, down, and back in. Building it a little at a time, all the way over like that. Okay, what we're going to do is put a sight. I can't draw this too straight, but make it a little bit longer. This one here is going to be out there. Okay, and we're going to circle just a little bit at the end there. Now we're going to put a sight right here. Okay, just like that. Now our hillbilly has his gun with him. All he needs is some boots. Draw a line there. Come over here to the back, and we're going to swoop that boot down, like so. We're going to come over from the top, just come down, come across like that with a line, and then make another small line across the bottom like that with the sole of his foot. Now once you color him in, he looks like his hillbilly. The only thing he needs is an eye. So what we're going to do is just take one little line right here, give him an eye. We can even take this mustache a little bit if we want. We'll come up like that. Now we have the hillbilly finished.